Hello and welcome to my channel, User-Friendly Tips. In this video I will show you how to convert any image that contains text into a PDF from which you can copy and paste the text later. Okay, so this is the image containing the text. I generated some lorem ipsum, and then I printed it, then I took a photo of it, and now let's convert it to PDF. To do that, open your browser and go to tools.pdf24.org. I will leave the link to this website in the description. It is completely free, no subscription or email required. As you can see, this is a great website. You can manipulate PDF in many ways, but we will focus in this video on this PDF OCR. It says here, recognize text via OCR and create searchable PDF files. So let's click it. Now click choose files. Now point to where a file is located. In my case, it's located on desktop, so I will left click and click open. Now it imported the file. Now down here you have to choose a couple of options. In the language, select English, because in my case the text is in English. If it's in some other language, select that. Next you can click remove background if it has some sort of background, and you can click clean pages. It says here cleans pages and removes unwanted artifacts. Over here we don't have to rotate the page and we don't have to force the OCR. And now just click this button here, Start OCR. Now it's processing. Let's give it a second. Okay, now it's done. It converted it, and now just click this blue button here where it says download. Now the file is downloaded to your computer. You can left click on it. So this is the converted file. As you can see here, it's now in the PDF format. Now let's try to copy and paste some text from this file. Select it. You will have to maybe do it some couple of times. Select it, right click, and now click copy. And now let's import it into a Word document. Open Word and click right click and click paste. So here it is, fully editable text. You can delete it, write something else, copy it, paste it some more. Now it's fully editable. Okay, I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please leave the thumbs up and see you in the next one. Peace.